Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Minor Sugar watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to install Appium, which is a cross-platform mobile testing tool. Now we are going to install Appium in 10. So you can install the same way in Windows 10 also. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So first Appium, right? Search Appium desktop. Appium desktop directly, and then we'll directly land over on this official repo. This is open source, so this is official repo for this Appium, and we'll download the Appium from here. Appium desktop on this download. You can check. So let's click on this okay, and then we have zip, Appium DMG and exe. Okay, so we need to install this on Windows, so we need to download the exe file. So let's click on this. We'll download the exe file, which will prerequisite for Appium is we need to install Node.js in our system. So you can search the Node.js in your system, it is installed or not. Node.js version. So Node should be installed in your system. If you haven't installed Node, you can check out this link. You can check out the so from there you can have already made video on that, and then this one is I think done. So execute this Appium server downloaded. So you can install. I have already made a lot of videos on solution and coding related. You can check out my channel. If you feel for you, please subscribe. I want to install it for all the users. If in your system privilege needed, suppose if you're working in a company and if you don't want to get this option, then you can go for only for me. So here it will install for you. Click only for me. I don't want to go with this. And after this, you need to install Doctor, Appium Doctor. So we can check. We can install Appium Doctor. So open this. Install Appium Doctor. Install as G. Should be a global label. Let's install this. Click one of them. Then this will install the Appium Doctor global label. It will help us to determine what are the tools and dependencies are required to run this Appium server. Based on that, you can see that Appium install Doctor G. Appium Doctor G is installed in our system. Once it's done, it will show the what are the required library. We will run the Doctor Appium Doctor, and we'll see what are the things are there, dependencies and all. Opening, little time it's taking. Found Node.js is there. Android home. So we need to set the Android. Right, Android we have to set. You see here, Appium is now installed. The server is now installed in our system, and we can start the server. We can run this, and we can start the server. We can do. Presets are already available. If not, then you can edit configuration. So let's click on sample and start the server. We can start the server. Let's allow the access. Server is running, and server is running on this here, working fine. And this Appium Doctor will say what are the things are there, dependencies are there, and what are the instruction needs to be done. You see here, Java home I already set, so it's giving screen, and Android home is not set. It will say that you set. This ADB emulators are not there in our system, so that's why it's saying all that. We also there, and these are some dependencies, optional dependencies. These are the things are there, right? No manual fixes. Why so you can just read and do the things accordingly. Then we will run the Appium script on our system. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in this video. Till then, bye bye. I hope you were able to install the things, and if you face any issues, please let me know. Till then, bye bye. Happy installation.